All right, we are live. Happy Friday, everybody. Thank you for joining us. Hope you guys are having a great week. Looking forward to a good weekend. Earlier today, or yesterday maybe, I showed you guys how we were spraying on our last finished top coat on a 3-piece raised panel back for one of the projects that we're doing, and we have finished installing it. So I wanted to show you guys that. Also wanted to remind you, if you have any kitchens or cabinetry projects that you guys want us to take a look at, please feel free to reach out to us. We are always available and eager to help you guys out. You can reach us here on facebook.com/Canopy Unlimited or on our website, canopyunlimited.com. You can also always call me or text message me and I will answer your phone call. So let's go inside and take a look at how we're doing. All right.
Good.
Say what's up, guys. You guys are live.
Hey.
What's up?
Everyone.
All right.
Yeah.
So we just did our bases only, and I'll explain why in a little bit. But first, I wanted to show you our island piece. So here it is. These are all solid wood raised panel sections that we installed here. This is a little over 10 feet long. You can see we finished it with our lacquer top coat and then we pinstriped it. So these are our final pieces here. I got some, so you can kind of see the layout. You got a bar. We still have a top piece going over there that's going to sit on granite. So that's another reason why we don't have our top pieces. We have a mudroom built in that we're going to be doing back there. And this is kind of our full layout here. So we're going to have a copper farm sink. It's going to go here. You have your dishwasher. You have your pull-out, 2 trash bins. Have another sink going in there, ice maker, microwave, and a bank of drawers. Then your full wall that we're gonna also have a custom piece that's gonna be going up here, and granite's gonna get set, so we can't put in our uppers yet. Then we have a pantry, butler's pantry, and the formal pantry over there. So this is kind of what our finished product looks like. You can see all of these pieces here, they are distressed. So this is a distressed kitchen look. All of these raised panels, you can see how everything was kind of put together joints here. We have our boxes, everything screwed in. You can kind of see the tenon, where each one of these raised panels were built in. So all of these pieces here were built like huge doors. So we had to glue all the panels together. We planed them down. We put the tongue and groove in between each one of the partitions, and we kind of glued everything together. You can kind of see the back sections here, how everything was, all these are separate pieces and all kind of glued together. So this is a real nice piece here. Kind of see a mirrored look, mirrored finish. So we have everything really, really nice. We have everything. We glazed all this. We toned it. We glazed it. We sealed it. I mean, really, really happy at the way this came out. So that's a sneak peek at what this project's looking like. I know we have granite going in and starting to measure tomorrow, and then we have maybe about a week or two before the granite goes in. Then we'll come back and install our tops, and then doors and drawers, of course, and we will be finished with this project. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys have any comments, if you guys have any questions, if you guys have any projects where you'd like for us to come out and take a look and do something similar to what we've done here, please feel free to give us a call. We are always here to help. So thank you very much and have a good weekend. See you later, dudes.